as so many of us have faced a problem of backend connection problem. But here's the deal. Logitech came up with solution, but we need to learn how to download. Yep, you heard me right. I mean, it is so silly. Probably they need to revamp their website. So let me show you how we can download the latest version of Logitech driver correctly. So let's write here Logitech option plus download. Here we go. Here is the software. So let's click on it. And now let's click here on download option plus. Then click on download for macOS 13 or later. Now let's click on downloads. So here's the deal. What generally we are doing, we are simply clicking on download now. But wait, this is not what we need to do. Really, I mean, they should highlight this in a better way so that people can put their eyes on this. And then from here, since most of us are using Mac OS 26, so we need to select the correct version. So right now by default 12 is selected. Select the version that you have installed. And if you are also not sure which version should I need to select, then simply go here on the top and then click on about this Mac and then click on more info. And then here you should be able to see the Mac OS version installed in your system. So in my case it is version 26.2. Therefore I'm going to install this 26. So if in your case, if it is 14 dot something, then you should install the driver for macOS version 14. And I would say this is the problem with Logitech website. It's not your fault because they have not highlighted this feature and a lot of us are not aware of where it is. Now let's click on download now. And then after this got downloaded, I'm going to simply open up and enter password. And there you go. Click on install option. And finally we have installed it. So let's run it. And now here we do not see any such problem. And here we go. We have successfully connected it. So that's how guys we resolve this problem. Logitech have launched the patch on 7th of Jan. And it is just because of this UX element which is not highlighted. We were forgetting to select the correct version. Probably they should also put this purple so that people can pay attention to it. Please make sure you subscribe to the Mac Essential and I will catch you soon with one such another video. Till then, you take care and bye bye.